Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a nice video of a nice Porsche 911 991 GTS. We've fitted a Kenwood DMX8021DABS into this, all using ACV connections and fibre optic adapter. We've also fitted a rear camera on this. You may have noticed at the beginning of the video. So we have got a into reverse, and you've got it's a bit bright here because it's videoing, but there we are, is the rear camera. We have got also a direct camera here. You can just press that and it automatically comes up. It's just like a camera button there. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wired and wireless. Obviously the camera in, it's got a front camera dash cam input as well. This we've wired it so it utilises the standard USB connection in the glove box, just there. If you'd like to have this done in your Porsche 991, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.